Welcome to my channel. How to log in to Nighthawk router step-by-step beginner guide. Plug the router into a power source and make sure it's turned on. It may sound obvious, but this step is often overlooked. If the router has power, the indicator lights will begin blinking, showing that the device is starting up. Connect your device. Laptop, phone, tablet, doesn't matter. You can connect via Wi-Fi, look for the default SSID printed on the label underneath the router, or use an Ethernet cable straight into the back. Wired is faster and less headache if you've got the option. Open a browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you use. Don't overthink this part. Just open it like you're about to type in a website. Type the login address. Here's the magic part. In the address bar, type either routerlogin.net, routerlogin.com, or the actual IP, 192.168.1.1. Sometimes it's 192.168.0.1 depending on your model. If one doesn't load, try the other. Don't Google it, type it straight in the bar. Hit enter and wait. You should land on the Netgear login page. If you get a "site can't be reached" error, double check you're connected to the router's network. 90% of the time that's the issue. Enter login details. Default username is admin. Password is usually password. Again, check the sticker on the router. Sometimes ISPs change it. If you've logged in before and changed it but forgot, well, you're either guessing or doing a reset. Change the default password, seriously. Once you're inside, change that password. Do it right away. Everyone and their dog knows admin password. A strong one saves you a future headache. Explore the dashboard. Now you're in the control panel. This is where you tweak Wi-Fi names, set guest networks, update firmware, block freeloaders, basically everything. Poke around, but don't flip switches you don't understand. Log out when done. Not mandatory, but it's good practice. Close the tab or hit log out. Keeps things neat. Thanks for watching.